Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. We are very pleased to be able to welcome those of you that have been with us for a long time. Today, as we stage the grand finale, Song of Your Choice Music Contest, and we are proud to be able to host it today at this beautiful and wonderful place with all of you. So, before we get started, I would like to express sincere appreciation to all of you who generously help us to make this event come together to become a success. And thank you so much once again, and all the best to all the top 5 contestants. Thank you and enjoy the music.
I would also like to welcome each and every one of you on behalf of the organizers, Kasur, The Voice News and Entertainment, and Maujam Events Network. Let's make some noise. This place is kind of chilly, isn't it? So if you need some spirits, the bar is right there. So feel free, okay? So what I meant to say is it's a very, very beautiful afternoon today, and what better place to have this competition than here, the Evening Club, a place where they celebrate live music, live band, live people, and live songs. So let's give a hand, make some noise for the Evening Club. Very few people, not many here, so the more you make your noise, the more you use your hands generously, will give some inspiration to the performers here. So right now, before we start the competition, I would like to invite another person. He's one of the main sponsors of this event, Neil Gato.
The Voice News and Entertainment, Maujam Event Network, for inviting me in this show, and it was a pleasant afternoon. Since you invited me here today, and one of the most foremost things I would like to say is that thank you, Eddie, and thank you all the team members, and thank you Evening Club for calling me here to present at this very moment with you guys here. So I would like you guys to make some noise. We all know about music. I'm going to deliver my speech on music. Music is a collection of coordinated sounds and sounds. Making music is the process of putting sounds and tone in an order. After combining them to create a unified composition. People who make music creatively organize sounds for desired result, like Beethoven Symphony or one like Duke Ellington Jazz. So an arrangement of music is like having melody, rhythm, and usually harmony, classical music. The art of producing pleasing and expressive combinations of tones, especially with melody, rhythms, and usually harmony, avant-style music. Everybody like to say that. So music is the art, it's a part of our life. Some say it's the way of expressing our emotions. Some people consider music as a way to escape from pain of life. So I hope all of you guys attending here, you are usually free from all kind of fear, all kind of pain, you come here for enjoyment. So I would like to thank each one of you to come here, and I would like to thank each one of the contestants. May the best man wins. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Yes, obviously we've been praying a lot, maybe so that we won't catch the disease. And number 2 for most of us, I guess, has always been music, What else you do, Most of us don't know how to cook. Of course I do. Most of us don't know gardening, which I do too. But most of the time, I spend in my bedroom listening to a lot of songs. And I would like to show my appreciation to the organizers, for taking this initiative to organize this competition online, I guess since August, isn't it? And I believe that there were many participants who took part in this competition online, and it has kept them very busy. And now we're here at this grand finale, here at this venue, beautiful place. It's a matter of joy and celebration, right? So I'm very happy for everything that has happened so far, and I believe, looking at the program, this evening will go very, very well.
Marketing keseluruhan kali when the party is over by Billie Eilish.
learn to lose, you can't afford to. Tore my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving.
Have very small voices, and small people like her, when she gets in the groove, isn't it? Something angelic like that happens. So you can never judge a book by its cover. Please give her a big round of applause again. And you did a wonderful job, Yarila.
Thank you so much, everyone, for organizing this show. And yes, my name is Tindo, if you haven't known yet. So the name of the song that I'm going to sing right now is called Forever and One by Halloween. What can I do? Will I be getting through? Know that I must try to leave it all behind. Did you see what you have done to me? So hard to justify. Slowly it's passing by. Forever and one, I will miss you. However, I miss you yet again. Way down in Neverland.
You know, a little bit here and there, but never goosebumps, isn't it? Yeah. It's only when you're sitting right in front of this person, she's singing on top of her voice. Awesome. Please welcome the next participant, Adrian Siangbo. He's 16 years old and he's from Mumbai, Katamasa. Yeah?
I'm going to perform to you is known as Jealous. I'm jealous of the rain that fall upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been. Oh, I'm jealous of the rain. I'm jealous of the wind.
Means that they are absolutely speechless. Yeah, and that was awesome. Okay, all the best. And one more thing I want to tell you, because I've seen the previous 2-3 contestants. It's good to have a little bit of tension when you're standing here on stage. I mean, I have that too all the time. I've been doing this for many years, you know. But every time I set foot on stage, there's always that little bit of fright and tension. And it's good. You know what it means? It means you have respect for the audience. If you don't have that, and you just don't care, it means you don't give a damn about the people listening to you. So, it's good. Don't be afraid. If you make a mistake, you can always start over. I've seen you guys doing that just now. Make that a habit. But do practice, you know, and don't be afraid. Okay? The stage is always yours.
Afternoon to you all. My name is Valdoni Imolot and I'm from Mount Korwat, Southwest Khasi Hills. And the name of the song is Depression.
Zero BPs.
I feel like the devil inside of me. The depression, I'm feeling anxiety. It's a struggle, but normal, I try to be. But it's hard when there's no one who guided me. All these people who don't understand. Judging inside, telling you be a man. Battling demons are singing the sand. Pop 2 and 3 sand, so she hit the fans. My thoughts suicidal. Friends that I go was my homie. My days is turned to my rivals right here for the world.
It's the best form of music, or that particular music is the only music that I like, you know. You need to be versatile when it comes to music. I, for one, you know, I don't know how you look at me, but I listen to classical music I listen to hip hop too. And sometimes when I'm in the mood, I head bang too. And I get bumps on my head, which I stopped doing that because I'm bald, so it shows. So thank you very much. In this competition, we've seen varied people saying different kind of songs.
My name is Gino, this is Gideon, that's Prang, and this is Joe. We're actually a duet with two musicians, and this is a cover by one of our favorite artists, Chronics, sorry. Chronics, and it's called Skanking Sweet.
Because they can't do that, I'm single these days because I can't do that. My friends call me the single bald eagle nowadays. Because I can't dance, I can't sing, That's why no one's taking me, I can only yap like this, and it's irritating, isn't it? Because so I only talk like this in these occasions where I get paid. Normally I keep my mouth shut. So let's invite the next, a special entertainment. Special performance by one of the members of Maujam Event Network, Mr. Twinkle Karsati.
On the beach of the desert, my mother died, giving me life. Deprived by the love of a father, blamed for the loss of his wife. Lord, I've been in a prison, something that I never done. It's been one hill after another.
I lose my confidence. I was like from, let's say 10 to 0. But then my mom told me one thing, I've seen you struggle, and before when I started pageantry, then no one supported me. Like my brother knows, not even my family supported me. So my mom said, when nobody supported you, you dare to follow your dreams. So what about when now we are supporting you, we are with you, we have your back. So you've reached so far, and you're in Philippines now. So why don't you just give it a shot? All your everything that you've prepared, just make it your moment. So I just did my best, and I just prayed to God, okay God, I've reached here. So wherever you take me from now onwards, I will not complain. I will be everything in your hands.
night I looked at you, I found a dream that I can speak to, a dream that I can call my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I have never known. Oh yeah, you in every step of the way. Will always love you. I will always love you, my darling, bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need, and I
Let you know that if you want to continue later on, stay, we can stay on and continue to move on. There's not all people are winners, but to me, everyone is already. Let's give this event, it's been a long time, being a part of such an event, and it gives me such joy and pleasure. I mean, I feel, okay, go to them, talk to them after this event. And I wish you all the best. Some mere areas of opportunity where you have to work upon. So don't be sad. So it doesn't really matter. So let's get to the results. I hope you're all excited. I am. I would like to invite Rebecca to please come on stage and distribute the prizes. Third place goes to... Any guesses? Don't be scared, huh? Me? We'll see later. Okay? If I'm not first, you'll see. Third place, please put your hands together for Gideon and Friends. Yeah, once again, please put your hands together. Congratulations. Medical Ding Dong. Congratulations.
We only
Ivan shooting.
Okay, well.
Please come up on stage.